Home. A variety of menus can be accessed quickly and easily with a 14.5-inch widescreen. You can change the order of menu after entering the Edit mode by pressing and holding the menu button. Standard, large, and extra large size fonts are available. User profile. Personalized service is available by selecting a user profile. The user profile allows the profile image, Bluetooth setting, radio presets to be individually stored when the vehicle is shared amongst multiple users. Vehicle maintenance, as well as various services, can be accessed by linking the vehicle with the Genesis Connected Services account. You can also change the vehicle setting through the Genesis Connected Services app. Handwriting touchpad. Touchpad on the jog dial allows handwritten character input. Special gestures, such as spacing words. Deleting a word or deleting all words are defined to allow easy correction of entries. You can also adjust the handwriting recognition orientation to fit your posture. Valet mode. The valet mode can protect your personal information when using a valet parking service. You can check the location of your vehicle and also cancel the valet mode remotely through the Genesis Connected Services app. Calendar link. Your calendar can be shown on the navigation system. Your Google or iCloud account needs to be linked with the Genesis Connected Services app. Once the link is established, you can see your calendar on the navigation screen and set destination based on the location stored in the appointment. Wireless update. Wireless Update provides the latest maps and software updates to your vehicle. Your navigation system will automatically download and install new software when it becomes available. When the installation is complete, update details open onto a pop-up window. You can check the software information through the Setup menu. Split screen. Split screen on the right side can show media and other information alongside the main screen contents without the need to switch between them. You can open the split screen by touching the arrow on the right edge of the screen. It can also be opened by long pressing the menu key near the jog dial. Media, weather, compass, clock, and schedule are offered via split screen as well as incoming call notification. Voice recognition. Voice recognition allows you to control your vehicle, such as making a call, initiating the navigation, and heating up the seat.
Please say a command.
Call Jane on mobile.
Calling Jane on mobile. Please say a command.
Find San Francisco Airport.
Would you like to set this address as the destination?
Yes.
The point is set as the destination. Please say a command.
Turn on seat warmer.
Turning on the driver's seat warmer. Please say a command.
Open the trunk.
Opening the trunk.
You can easily check the weather or sports and other information with the voice assistant.
Please say a command.
How's the weather?
The weather is 73 degrees and cloudy in Santa Clara. Please say a command.
How did the Phoenix Suns play?
The final score was Phoenix Suns